addition of non-collinear or non-perpendicular vectors, using the tail-to-head method. So far, we have seen addition of vectors that are collinear or perpendicular. If the vectors are not collinear or perpendicular, we can use either the tail-to-head or the tail-to-tail method. We shall see how to use the tail-to-head method. Consider the two force vectors acting on an object. Vector F1 is 400 Newton at 45 degrees in the anticlockwise direction from the positive x-axis. Vector F2 is 150 Newton at 30 degrees in the clockwise direction from the negative x-axis. We first add the two vectors by the tail-to-head method. The tail of vector F2 is placed on the head of the vector F1, but we must take care that the directions are preserved. For this, we use a set square and a ruler. We position the ruler and set square such that one edge of the triangle is on the vector F2. A ruler is placed on the base of the set square and held firmly. Now, we slide the set square along the ruler so that the edge that was earlier coinciding with the vector F2 is now exactly touching the head of vector F1. Now we draw a line through the head of vector F1 along the edge of the set square. This line is parallel to vector F2. This method will be very useful when we have to draw parallel vectors. On this line, we mark a point whose length from the head of vector F1 has the same length as vector F2. We then draw vector from the head of vector F1 to this point. This is nothing but the vector F2 in both magnitude and direction. It has just been translocated, that is, moved. The last step is to join the tail of the first vector F1 to the head of the second vector F2. The magnitude of the resultant can be found. The angle made with the positive x-axis can also be found. The resultant vector r has a magnitude of 390 Newton and is at an angle of 67 degrees in the anticlockwise direction from the positive x-axis. We have applied the tail-to-head method for finding the resultant vector of two vectors. This method can be applied even to problems where there are more than two vectors.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Messi.